You know, the market continues to be amazing, and it's not those triple-digit sessions for the Dow that underscore the veracity of this rally, but it's these last-minute surges, like the one we saw today that sent all three major indices into the plus column and making it 11 days in a row for the Dow to be on the upside. Now, there's this Pavlovian trigger, right, that sparks the running of the bulls, which I got to tell you, I think speaks really well of a longer-term sustained rally. That, of course, will have some down sessions. Believe me, we'll be down at some point. Meanwhile, though, here's the thing. The anti-Trump crowd, well, they're bringing their fight to the stock market. Now, we know, of course, President Trump has talked about this market rally and how it reflects upbeat spirits in his country, which, of course, now has opened the door for his opponents to focus on derailing the rally. In fact, this morning, give you an example, there's a boutique brokerage firm. They downgraded Goldman Sachs to a sell. I mean, think about that. They suggested that all the good news is built in and perhaps there's too many rosy assumptions on policies by the Trump administration that will never materialize. Yet a lot of good things have already moved in motion. For instance, take Mastech. It's an 80-year-old infrastructure company based in Coral Gables, Florida. They posted their best fourth quarter in company history. Now, during that quarter, revenue surged 31%. Here's the thing, it was aided by their oil and gas division. Revenues there were up 62.5%. We're talking a gusher of cash. The oil and gas infrastructure party, by the way, is going to continue. According to management, they have $1.7 billion in new contracts and fresh demand. So what they're saying is 2017 is going to be a record year. As for the session overall, well, there was some scuttlebutt about this topic we just had on the border adjustment tax, that it was going to be dead. That helped bring the market to life. I got to tell you, there are powerful forces on both sides of that issue. But the stock market, I think, wants to be sure that consumers, who are two-thirds of our economy, are encouraged to spend and don't have to pay extra money. Now, I will continue to say that you must ignore the forces that are looking to derail the rally, particularly for political reasons. You also have to ignore your own internal anxiety. Make your portfolio great. Make your bank account great again. Do it for yourself.